Today I'm going to be doing a Bentonite Clay mask, and I'm going to use Aztec Secrets. It's the Indian healing clay. So I mix the clay with water until the texture of the clay is slightly runny. Bentonite clay is made from volcanic ash, and what bentonite clay essentially does is it draws out heavy metals, toxins and oils from beneath the skin surface. So that's what makes it really good and effective in treating acne. Acne usually results due to a collection of sebum beneath the skin surface. So when you apply bentonite clay, the clay works by drawing out the oils, therefore making your pores less clogged of oils. I section my hair and apply clay till all my strands are covered in product. So I apply it to the roots, the end and all over my hair, and I work it in, lightly detangling. However, you might not be able to fully detangle your hair with this product because the clay is heavy and your curls clump together. So here you can see some shed hair. If you experience that, that's normal because you are lightly detangling your hair. Why I love doing this treatment is just because it makes my curls really defined, and I find that when I do this treatment prior to styling my hair, my curls and my strands holds the style much more longer. So here you can see my curl pattern. As you can see, it's really defined. This is just one section of my hair. I'm working the product over my ends to make sure they're completely saturated. And you might be able to notice different curl patterns. My curls tend to be looser at the back, tighter in the middle, and then at the front of my hair my curls are a bit looser than they are in the middle. So I've moved on to the other section and I'm doing the same, lightly detangling each section, working my hands through it to make sure that the product is distributed throughout my head evenly. So when I'm done with that section, I'd usually twist up my hair, put a plastic cap over my hair and leave that for about an hour. I've left it on my hair overnight before, but in this case I left it on for about an hour because I had to wash my hair and prepare it for the next day. And I got the really big jug, so the bottle I have is £2, which is 32 ounces. So it's pretty big and it will definitely last me a long time. So they advise you not to use a metal spoon because the metal spoon will react with the powder, therefore reducing most of its healing properties. So bentonite clay contains calcium and iron and magnesium. So if you want the full benefit of the clay, it's better to use a plastic spoon rather than a metal spoon. And I'm listening to music at the same time, so you might see me singing along or just dancing to music. That's just how I'm able to do my hair because, as you know, natural hair is a chore and it's a process, and if I don't make it enjoyable, I'm not gonna feel as if I'm having fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you in the next video.